Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to solve zip file not extracting in the Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So how can you fix this issue? Now step 1 is you can just right click on the or double click on the file, and after that you will see all these options. So from here what you can do is just click on show more options, the last option, and once you click here you will be seeing this kind of these kind of options which are similar to the Windows 10. So from here what you can do is just click on the extract all option, like which is this one, and after that it will be extracted. Now let's say that you are not able to extract the files for some reason, so what you can do is just go to the browser and search here WinRAR file, or you can just search just write this down WinRAR, and you will see this website WinRAR download and support. So make sure to download this file. You can just download WinRAR and install it in your PC or laptop, and after that you can just right click on it, and you will see, like, let's say, as you can see, like this option is here WinRAR, or you can just click on show more options, and from here you can just find the option called WinRAR and just click on extract files or extract here, whatever you want to select. Now let's say, like, as you can see, like the files are extracting and now it has been extracted successfully. So that is all about how you can do it.